Ottish.com. Learn anywhere, anytime.
Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to discuss chapter 4 of your course, that is evolution. Evolution भनेको प्राणीहरु सानो सानो माइक्रोअर्गानिजम्स देखि हामी जस्तो हाईली एडभान्स अर्गानिजम्स सम्म कसरी डेभलप भयो. Gradual development of organisms is known as evolution. So, evolution is the gradual development of organisms over a long period of time. Evolution does not take place overnight. एक रातमा, एक वर्षमा, 5 वर्षमा, एक सेन्चुरीमा हुने कुरा हैन. यो चाहिँ some thousands of years लाग्न सक्छ. कुनै पनि लोवर लेभलको अर्गानिजमलाई एडप्टेसन हुँदै, भेरिएसन हुँदै, ग्रेजुअल चेन्ज भएर नयाँ स्पेसिसमै चेन्ज हुनको लागि चाहिँ thousands or sometimes even the millions of years पनि लाग्न सक्छ. Evolution is slow, progressive, irreversible process. So, evolution is slow. It takes a long period of time. Progressive भन्नाले पुरानो आफ्नो एडप्टेसन गर्न नसक्ने ट्रेट्सहरुलाई चाहिँ उले क्यान्सल गर्दै जान्छ भनेदेखि नयाँ इन्भाइरोमेन्टमा एडजस्टेबल ट्रेट्सहरुलाई चाहिँ फलो अप गर्दै जान्छ. इरिभर्सिबल एकपल्ट इभल्भ भइसकेपछि, एकपल्ट नयाँ क्यारेक्टर एक्वायर गरिसकेपछि त्यो फेरि फर्केर पुरानै जीवमा चेन्ज हुँदैन. सो इभोल्युसन इज स्लो, progressive as well as irreversible process. The first person to study evolution, or the father of evolution, the starter of evolution, father of evolution is Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin proposed the theory of natural selection. So, and he later on was declared as father of evolution. Now moving to evidences in support of evolution. कुनै पनि माइक्रोस्कोपिक जीव अथवा लोअर लेभल अर्गानिजम चाहिँ ग्रेजुअली हायर लेभल अर्गानिजममा चेन्ज भएको हो भन्ने प्रमाण के हो त? यतिकै त इभोल्युसन भयो भन्न मिल्दैन. We need some definite proof to prove the prove the evolutionary trend. So there are few topics related to this. The first one is evidence from comparative anatomy. As we had discussed in previous video, anatomy means study of internal organs or internal makeup of the living organisms, and there are different topics under the comparative anatomy as well. The first one, we will talk about homologous organs. Now here homo means same. Now, the animals belonging to same phylum and the organs which are different in appearance and different in function as well, but their internal makeup is same, are called the homologous organ. भन्नाले हेर्दाखेरि फरक देखिने, काम पनि उनीहरुको फरक हुने, तर भित्रको इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर हेर्ने हो, एनाटोमिकली हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ तिनीहरुको मेकअप चाहिँ सेम हुने, त्यस्तो अर्गन्सहरुलाई होमोलोगस अर्गन्स भनिन्छ. I will write it down. The organs which are different in appearance as well as function, but they have similar internal structure are called homologous organs. So, homologous organs are different in appearance and function, but they have similar internal structure. So, the example of homologous organs are, example, fins of fishes, flippers of whale, forelimb of mammals, wings of birds. So see here, the fins of fishes, they look different than the limbs of mammals. The function of fins of fishes is swimming, whereas forelimbs of mammal, it helps in grasping, running, etc. Wings of birds help in flying, but internally they have the same makeup. They have the same carpals, metacarpals and phalanges. So here the hamro hatma herdakhera, here is one long bone and there is another radio ulna and carpal, metacarpal and phalanges. भित्रपट्टि हेर्दा चाहिँ बोन्सहरुको मेकअप arrangement चाहिँ यो सबैमा सेम हुन्छ. So such type of organs are called the homologous organs, and homologous organs shows diverging trend of evolution. Another point, so these organs support diverging evolution. Now again, what is diverging evolution? Diverge भनेको कस्तो, एउटा पोइन्टबाट फरक फरक डिरेक्सनमा जानुलाई डाइभर्ज भनिन्छ. So we can see here, as the internal structure of all these organs in different animals is same, but their function as well as the external appearance is different, then we can assume that all the animals they had the same ancestry and now they are moving into the different direction. So such kind of evolution is called diverging evolution. Homologous organs are in support of diverging evolution. Another topic in the comparative anatomy comes as number second, evidence from analogous organs. Now, analogous organs is just different to the homologous organs. Homologous भन्नाले internal appearance same हुने, बाहिरबाट हेर्दा different हुने, function पनि different हुने. तर analogous भनेको चाहिँ अब ठ्याक्कै उल्टा. हेर्दाखेरि सिमिलर देखिने बाहिरबाट हेर्दा, function पनि similar हुने, तर internal structures are different हुने. So, let me write here those organs which are similar in appearance and function, but they have different internal structure. So, these are similar in appearance and function, but different internal structure. Example to this includes wings of birds and wings of insects. Now see here, the birds, they are included in the phylum Chordata class apes. Insects are included in the phylum Arthropoda of invertebrates. Means they have very hard structure called bones. They do not have it. But both the wings of birds and wings of insects, they are similar in appearance, and both the wings help them in flying. So, such type of organs are called the analogous organs. Analogous organs are in support of converging evolution. They support converging evolution. Converging means, again, this term converging means they are from different phylums or different classes, but it can be assumed that in a long range of time, over millions of years later, they might be adapted into similar one species. It is just assumption. There won't be any evidence in support of that, but analogous organs, they support converging evolution. Now, the third one, evidence from vestigial organs. Again, this might be new topic for you, vestigial organs, and the whole topic evidence is very important from exam point of view. So please pay attention. Vestigial organs भन्नाले के बुझिन्छ पहिला त्यो सुरुमा डिस्कस गरौँ. हाम्रो बडीमा, हाम्रो शरीरमा यस्ता अर्गन्सहरू छन् जो प्रेजेन्ट चाहिँ छन्, तर तिनीहरूले आफ्नो ओरिजिनल फंक्सन अथवा आफ्नो फंक्सनै गर्दैनन्. फंक्सनलेस organs present in our body are called the vestigial organs. Vestigial organs अनि कुनै हामी भन्दा अगाडिको प्रिमिटिभ एनिमल्सहरुमा चाहिँ त्यस्तो अर्गन फेरि फंक्सनल भेटिन्छ. यसको अर्थात के बुझ्न सकिन्छ भने हामी पनि त्यही प्रिमिटिभ अगाडिको हामी भन्दा लेस डेभलप्ड अर्गानिजम्सबाट एडप्टेड भएर मोडिफिकेसन भएर न हामीमा डेभलप भएको हो भन्ने कुरा बुझ्न सकिन्छ vestigial organsबाट. So these vestigial organs also support the evolutionary trend. Now let us go. First, the definition. Those organs which are present in the body but are inactive or functionless. However, they have certain specific function in the ancestors or some other animals. So this is the definition of vestigial organs. There are about 90 to 100 vestigial organs present in human. Some examples include muscles of ear pinna, vermiform appendix, wisdom teeth, etc. Now see the muscles of the ear pinna, this one. In the ancestors or some other animals, this ear pinna is used to collect the sound from the surrounding and put into the ear. But in our human beings, these are not functional. Vermiform appendix. Vermiform appendix को काम भनेको चाहिँ जस्तो herbivores animalहरु जस्तो cow, buffalo, घाँस खाने जनावरहरुमा चाहिँ vermiform appendix helps in the digestion of cellulose. But we human being, what do? We cook most of our food. So the cellulose is already broken down there and our vermiform appendix is rudimentary. Wisdom teeth, बुद्धि बङ्गारा भन्ने आउँछ त्यसको पनि केही पनि फंक्सन नै छैन हाम्रोमा. जबकि काउ बफेलोहरुमा चाहिँ त्यसलाई पछि खानालाई के गर्छ ग्राइन्ड गर्ने काममा त्यसले हेल्प गरेको हुन्छ. These are few examples of vestigial organs present in human body. You can go through some more examples in the PDF attached with the video. Fourth one, evidence from connecting link. What are connecting links now? Connecting भनेको त दुईटा केही कुरालाई जोड्नुलाई connection भनेर भनिन्छ. अब connecting link is related to that thing. Now let us go. Those animals, those living animals which shows behavior of two class or two phylum are called connecting link. Okay, connecting link भन्नाले दुईटा क्लास अथवा दुईटा फाइलमको बिहेभियर कम्बाइन्डली देखाउनेलाई चाहिँ कनेक्टिङ लिंक भनेर भनिन्छ. अब कनेक्टिङ लिंकले कसरी एभिडेन्सको सपोर्टमा काम गर्छ भन्दाखेरि अब For example, virus is the connecting link between living organisms and non-living organisms. अब त्यहाँनिर virus भनेको त class 10 मा you have studied that outside the body of the host त्यो के हुन्छ non-living जसरी behave गर्छ अनि host पाउने बित्तिकै त्यसले के गर्छ living activity देखाउन थाल्छ reproduction पनि हुन्छ त्यहाँनिर genetic material पनि छ so it is the connecting link between living things and non-living things. अब त्यहाँबाट हामीले के assume गर्न सकियो भनेदेखि living things हरु चाहिँ पहिला सुरुमा non-living केही matter बाट बनेको थियो evolution त्यसरी भयो living things were originated from the non-living thing. So I will give you a few examples of the connecting link. Organism links between, so for example virus, the first example shows the links between non-living and living. Next one, euglena. It shows the link between plants and animals. euglena मा कस्तो हुन्छ भनेदेखि सेल वाल चाहिँ एब्सेन्ट हुन्छ जुन प्लान्ट्स को मेजर क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक हुनुपर्ने एनिमल सेल भन्दा डिफरेंट तर फेरि euglena मा के प्रेजेन्ट हुन्छ क्लोरोप्लास्ट प्रेजेन्ट हुन्छ क्लोरोप्लास्ट त प्लान्ट्स मा मात्र प्रेजेन्ट हुनु पर्थ्यो सो euglena इज द लिंक बिट्विन प्लान्ट्स एन्ड एनिमल अब यहाँबाट के सपोर्ट आयो भन्दाखेरि प्लान्ट र एनिमल इनिशियली पहिला सुरुमा चाहिँ एउटै खालको सेलबाट बनेको थियो पहिला सुरुमा एउटै खालको सेल थियो कुनै टाइप एकतिर एडप्सन भएर एनिमल्स बन्यो को अर्को सेल चाहिँ अर्कोतिर एडप्टेड भएर प्लान्ट बन्यो so this can be the evidence in support of evolution. Few examples: Periplatus shows the link between annelids and arthropods. Platypus shows the link between reptiles and mammals. So these are quite important from the exam point of view as well. Fifth one, in comparative anatomy comes the missing link. So link means here to the connection, but it is missing. So previously in the connecting link I had told that the organisms must be living, but here the organisms are already dead and they no longer exist on the surface of the earth. That is, these organisms, these animals are already extinct from the surface of the world. So those extinct animals which used to show link between two class or phylum are called the missing link. Let me underline this. These missing link are already extinct from the earth. Now the example for the missing link, one very famous example is there, Archaeopteryx. It's the scientific name, Archaeopteryx lithographica. It's the missing link between reptiles and apes. So हेर्दाखेरि रेप्टाइल्स जस्तो पनि देखिने, छेपारो जस्तो देखिने थियो, अनि उड्थ्यो फेरि. इट युज टु फ्लाइ बट इट ह्याड क्लड डिजिट्स. डिजिट्सहरूमा यहाँ बिचमा वेब्ड फिट थियो, चुच्चो बिक पनि प्रेजेन्ट थियो. सो आर्कियोप्टेरिक्स इज द मिसिङ लिङ्क बिट्विन रेप्टाइल्स एन्ड एप्स. अब यो मिसिङ भएको, एक्सटिङ भएको कसरी पत्ता लाग्यो भन्दाखेरि another evidence will come in the next topic, evidence from fossils. फसिलहरूको इम्प्रिन्टबाट हेरेर साइन्टिस्टहरूले पत्ता लगाएको कुरा हो. सो अब यसरी हेर्दा यो आर्कियोप्टेरिक्सले हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले के बुझ्न सकिन्छ भने एप्स पनि कुनै टाइममा रेप्टाइल्स नै थियो अनि ग्रेजुअल डेभलपमेन्टबाट उड्न थाल्यो. And some few reptiles remained on the land crawling, so they are still the reptiles. So this kind of things, they shows the fact that organisms evolve from lower level to higher level and become adapted to the environment in which they exist. Thank you.
थप जानकारीका लागि लग अन टु www.ottish.com. सम्पर्क नम्बर, ईमेल आईडी. धन्यवाद.